Lampoonery. The practice of writing lampoons.
No, Mike. More.
M-O-O-R.
More.
Why are you guys always looking to me for the answers?
You have the dictionary.
I can't take it. It's gonna be too hard. Trying to combine all 37 plays into one, it's gonna be a disaster.
No, it's not. I think people are going to be pleasantly surprised at how funny we've made these Shakespeare plays.
What if no one shows up? Supposed to do this for an empty field?
What if we told people that they had a chance to win a car?
Oh yeah, Shaker Auto has some awesome cars.
Kias.
Optimus. Alright, take it back. This is going to rock!
So let's see, we've got food, we've got wine, and we've got a funny play. We've got a car. And a chance to win a brand new car.